Hello everyone! I'm about ready to burst at the seams to start traveling again. But since we can't really move around the world just yet, road trips are the next best thing. So I'm going to revisit one of California's rugged Central Coast cities, Monterey. Oh, and did I mention it's my birthday today? Our first stop is the Cathedral of San Carlos, Borromeo. It was built in 1791, which makes it the oldest and smallest continuously operating parish in the United States. Now we are here at Old Fisherman's Wharf. I hope you guys can hear me through the mask, but I don't remember ever visiting this area. It's so cute. Definitely smaller than the city's Fisherman's Wharf, but it has its own personality. I know. Just pay for my card.
That's what I was telling Chris. Just pay for my Ducati.
Show me the money.
That should be the winning ticket.
Nuts with chocolate, apple, and
would you like a cut-up? Would you like a cut-up? No? Okay.
And 2 dark chocolate cashew turtle.
2 dark cashew turtles?
Yeah.
Anything else?
That's it. So we are now at Monterey's famous Cannery Row. So this is just a lineup of shops and restaurants, and we're just gonna walk around, see what we find. Or does it have to be?
You want to have sample?
Oh, can I?
Yeah.
That's yeah. Alright, so it is lunchtime. Happy birthday to me. So, funny story about this restaurant. I had picked this place because I wanted seafood pasta. However, I didn't read the fine print that they were only offering it for dinner. So, what we ordered here is just appetizers for us. We're gonna move on to another restaurant where I can get my seafood pasta. And yes, I am very much determined to get my seafood pasta. You're in Monterey, so I want that fresh seafood. Yes, you can get it in the city too, but Monterey is another city where it's well known for. Done with lunch down there, and we're just hanging around to take pictures in front of the hotel fountain. Definite fail on choosing this restaurant. Well, I chose it for two reasons: the seafood pasta and the view. Definitely got the view, but not the pasta. Read the fine prints. A funny thing about being here in Monterey, there are tourists about. Not a lot. Not the boatload of tourists that Monterey normally would get. But about a third of them aren't wearing masks. People who are walking out and about aren't wearing masks. We're not out of the woods yet, so it's just heartbreaking to see other folks not wearing masks. I mean, it's just neighborly to do so while we're not out of this pandemic yet. But I mean, for myself, I'm already vaccinated. My friends are vaccinated, and we're still wearing masks. It doesn't hurt to wear a mask. I'm not trying to preach, but definitely follow the science. I think we'll just get out of this situation a lot sooner if we just all go in the same direction. And now I'm off my soapbox and onto the next lunch place. Hopefully we'll fare a little better over there. Alright, so we are at restaurant number 2. Happy birthday to me again! This is a guavatini. So much better than my first drink. I'm so appreciative of my friends to let me have the run of the day, to allow me to look for my seafood pasta. So I got clam linguine. Better than fair. I mean, the sauce could be a little bit more tasty, but not bad overall. It satisfies the craving. This is the first time in over a year that I have eaten in a restaurant indoors. But their spacing, their social distancing is pretty good in here. Alright, I'm just gonna enjoy the rest of my pasta.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
I don't know if you could hear me underneath the mask, but thank you. So I had hoped to visit the Point Pinos Lighthouse, but they turned out to be closed today. Although their hours of operation does say they're open until 4 and it is before 4. Not sure if they're closed because of the pandemic. Although there is a golf course right next to it and that's open. Ah, darn. At least I feel a little bit more comfortable going out with friends. Fortunately, vaccinations are moving pretty fast over here. It's been over a year since we heard the term shelter in place, but the vaccine has really changed the game. Although I'm not quite ready to board a plane to fly to another state, I'm in a much better mindset compared to my last birthday. Although we did make the most out of that situation. Alright, it's time to head home to meet with my family for a birthday dinner. But first, I'd like to thank all my followers for staying tuned to new videos. So from my mind side to yours, definitely more to come. Thanks for watching.